and I did love your accidentally paused it. Yes, I'm going to shout big shout. Hang on. So I take a big shout out to everyone, and so let's go to my den. I was going to show you my article. I've been starting to try and get lots of animals now. Yeah, so I got quite a few. Yeah, so this is my favorite article, if that's my other one. But I really want to fill it up. But sadly enough, I only got like $100. I used to only have like the owl. This one, and that's all. Yeah, and that's all. I got them all yesterday, like all the other ones. But I got the other ones like ages ago. So yeah, let me change it for you. By the way, because it's not allowing me to see myself in the camera like there, like here, just don't worry about my face, okay? Because I look ugly today and I'm getting ready for school. I woke up really early, so I'm just going to do a quick video for everyone because I haven't been doing videos for like ages, and I finally know my password now. I'm like, OJ. Let's see who's playing. Ninja. Oh. What the what? Your face looks creepy, bro. No, nice stand there. Okay. I'm gonna ask. Do you... Hang on, no. I don't want the creepy face dude in my video. I don't want my video being destroyed by that creepy face dude. Oh, God. If you heard that sound, that was just someone texting me. I'm so glitchy. Stop texting me. So yeah. Recording. So he's for recording. Recording. Not recording. Alright, so okay, I have so many shoutouts. So sorry guys, I like to write it sort of sometimes. I just love this. Ooh, someone's in love and they've broken their hair. OMG. I got boring stuff on trade. Let's dance. Is that Meow Meow? No, it's not Meow Meow. It's an article, fox. Someone's at my den. Why are people at my den? Why are you at my den? Well, maybe she wants to be part of my video. Hang on. Wait, it's Amanda. It's Amanda! Let's ask. Do you want to be part of it on YouTube? It doesn't allow you to say YouTube, so I just do YouTube. Hi then. Yep. Now I'm recording. He doesn't even know I'm recording. Ha 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 ha. Now I'm good. Sorry, I shouldn't say that. Locked in, he's not my buddy. Locked you up. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Oh, and Bez Wilson, hi, my best friend, my old school. You. I have a turtle crush on you, I haven't told you for ages. No, I'm just joking, She's a girl. I mean, it's not true to have a crush on a girl, but I'm just saying, she's my best friend from my old school, yes. I was doing a video with her, but I accidentally deleted it, so that was sort of a shame. She can't really play it out because she's probably at school. I mean, I don't know if she's even at school. I don't even know if she's awake. Ooh, let's try this. Sometimes I just trade really random stuff with people. And oh, I got my spike yesterday. I'm so glad. Oh, that one's... Oh, shouldn't do that one. I got it from the wolf party. Guess I could get it out of time. Yeah, he declined it. I already know that. No one even knows that they're actually in my video. Does anyone know that they're actually in my vid on YouTube? Come on, inappropriate, whatever. I'm trying to just talk. I'm not trying to personal information. I'm not doing that. Oh, come on, just. I don't want to get suspended because I don't want to do any more videos for like 2 weeks. Okay. I know you're gonna have boring stuff on trade. Like I think you're gonna have nothing on trade. Oh boom! Oh yeah, I was right. Okay. Let's go somewhere. No one believes me. I'm so sad. I'm actually recording here and no one believes me. Yeah, right. Let's go to some DJ. DJ. Hang on. I always go up there thinking that's the way. Oh yeah, it is. No one's here. Guess I'll just be the DJ for now. Oh yeah. Got my little reindeer. Oh, that's creepy. It's like, what is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, it's my pet. Oh, that scared me. Oh. I don't know what to do. No one wants to be in my video. Oh, funky man. I didn't say the F word, don't worry. I'm not sure what to do. Ooh, she has lots of breads. I'm going to trade or something. Ooh, she has a raspberry spike. I know she's going to decline it anyway, so I shouldn't really do it. I'm doing it because you never know what she can say. You never want to know what the whole thing is. Okay, that may have looked weird. I should have slow motion that, yeah. Too much time, it takes forever to do it, and I just want to forget. Shouldn't I give it my spike? It looks awesome. It sort of feels weird that I'm actually no, I can't do that. That's for my other. I don't have any much clothing, so if you could, like, PPL, if you keep on watching my videos and if you played Animal Jam, please give me some stuff because I got hacked the other day. Just gonna say no. I already know it from the top of my heart. Told ya. It's really glitchy. What if I go to mine down? Will it be easier? I like my Arctic Wolf. I don't want to change it a bit. This is actually my YouTube owl. It's actually my YouTube owl. Like literally, it's my YouTube owl. Yes, whatever, I get it. Yes, sir, it's my YouTube owl. I've used this in a lot of YouTube videos. Like I said, one of my friends. Stop texting me! Should I accept this? I don't know. No, I'm not going to accept it. I like my spike.